Hello everyone, I am back and Happy New Year. But I think by the time you'll see this video, it will be February. But anyway, all my holiday decorations are down, well kept and organized in the storage bin since the first week of January. Anyway, I am so excited to start my very first project for the year 2026. And surprisingly, it's not going to be here in my home. It will be in a different place. This is a townhome that has 3 floors. And a friend of mine asked if I can install a vinyl tile flooring for them, which will be consisting the kitchen, 2.5 bath, as well as a small laundry area. And I'm setting my goal to finish all of this within 7 days, which I know it's going to be a challenge because when I did my own flooring here in my home, it took me days to finish just one area, but I'm up for the challenge. And the reason why I set a goal to finish all of this within 7 days is because this place is for rental purposes. My friend and her family has some projects to finish in that area as well. So as soon as we can finish everything, they will post it for a rental market. Anyways, I did all the measurement for them, I think a couple of weeks ago, and I don't know what type or brand of vinyl tile flooring they bought. It will be a surprise as well for me. Today will be my first time to see what they bought, but I'm just finishing my coffee and then I will gather all my tools and things that I will need for the project, and I will be heading my way because I want to start early today. So the vinyl tile that I chose is a 12 by 12 peeling stick that has a Carrera marble design, almost the same style of the vinyl tile that I installed from my home. So the first thing I want to do is place them or lay them on the floor. That way I can see the proper placement for them. Once I figured out the proper placement for the tile, first thing or next thing I need to do is remove the quarter molding. And to do that, I need to score the edges first. That way I can prevent tearing the paint from the rest of the base molding. Before installing the tiles, I need to clean the floors first. You can use soap and water, but for me, I will be using a multi-purpose spray as well as alcohol wipes. I will be cleaning this floor multiple times in order for me to remove the dirt, oils, and grease that has been building in this floor for so many years. And by doing this will help for the vinyl tile to stick properly on the surfaces. And before I continue, I need to wear my knee pads to protect my knees since I will be working on the floor the whole day. The old flooring has some minor damages and some permanent stain, and there's a few ways to do this. Either remove the old vinyl sheet or just place a new flooring on top of it, and that's what I am doing right now. And the way I do this, I always start from the center and work my way out. And this is where I had a problem. By the time I get to open the second box, I found out that the rest are travertine tiles. And it was unfortunate that the very top pile was the only Carrera marble, which is also my fault for not checking. So what I did, I called my friend, and at the end, we decided that I will remove the first batch and just continue with the travertine tiles. Anyways, I think I like this style much better because I feel that if there will be a future staining on the flooring, it can be camouflaged because this style has variation of colors. Plus, I feel and think that this is much thicker compared to the previous one. So I think there's a win-win situation here. Good morning, everyone. It's another day, and my plan is to finish this kitchen as well as the half bathroom, which I did not film anymore the last time I was here. So I still have a few more tilings to install, especially where the stove is, and then do the finishing touches, which means I need to caulk or seal the quarter molding and also waterproof the bathroom. And hopefully I will be able to finish by lunch or after lunch. And then after that, I can go ahead and start installing the floor on the third floor bathroom. So that's my goal for today. And hopefully I can finish that. And then after that, I think I will be needing a couple more days to finish the second floor bathroom as well as the laundry area. So let me go ahead and start working. On the first day, I did not finish the kitchen because I forgot my appliance lifter, and our intention is just to lift up this appliance and install a vinyl tile flooring halfway underneath the gas stove. For the curve of the sink, this is where I had a hard time when I did the flooring on my own home. And to make it easier, I discovered just to make a template from a copy paper the same size of the vinyl tile. Then follow the shape of the sink. Cut the template. Trace it on top of the vinyl tile. Then follow the lines to cut the tile. For the door area, I use a oscillating saw and use a piece of vinyl tile as a guide to trim the bottom door. And by doing this, it will help fit the new flooring. for the quarter molding, which I did not show the full installation, but I'm just using the old one, removing the old nails, sand and clean before installation. And finally, I'm working on the third bathroom. It's all the same procedure, removing the quarter molding, clean the area, and install the new flooring. And few steps that I did from the previous room is using a laser leveler. This will help guide in forming a straight line, especially installing the first few tiles. I also make sure that I change the blade every now and then, or for each room, to have an easy cutting and to have a smooth and straight finishing. And this is the blade that I'm using to cut the vinyl tiles, which I bought from Lowe's. If the tile is a hairline bigger from the fitting, I usually file it with the sandpaper, and mostly that works. And since I don't have the floor roller tool, I am just using my own weight to press down the newly installed floor. I did the same thing on my own home, and so far, after a few years, my floor are still in perfect condition. And the very last thing that I do is waterproofing the area by sealing in between of the tiles and then wiping the excess with baby wipes. And then leave the floors to cure for at least 24 to 72 hours. Okay, everyone, it's the next day, and I think I went home last night almost 10 o'clock. I was so tired that I just showered and went straight to bed. Anyways, in regards to the project, I am so happy with the result that I am still floored that I was able to finish everything for only 3 days, which I did not expect that. Anyways, in regards to the vinyl tile installation, I feel and think this is good for beginners project. And I say that as a DIYer because I'm no professional. I just learned things from watching instructional videos and with my experience here in my home and my friend's place. This is a very friendly project. You only need few tools, and the only thing I would advise that you should not be skipping on this procedure is cleaning the floor. The floor needs to be smooth and very clean in order for that tile to adhere on the surface. Second is a good sharp utility knife, especially when you will go on the areas where you will need a special cuts. Knee pads is the third one. You will be spending long hours on the floor, and I'm one of those witness. And aside from spending long hours, probably you need a little patience as well. But overall, once you're done with the project, it's very satisfying. And because of that, I just want to say thank you to my friend for trusting me with this work. Her and her family were so satisfied, very happy with the result. That makes me very, very happy as well. So everyone, hopefully you enjoyed watching, and I hope the next time you see me will be in the laundry room. For everyone out there who's new here on my channel, I did a project, a home improvement, or I mean, not a home improvement or some makeover on my laundry area, which I did not finish last year. And hopefully this year I will be able to finish that. So with that said, please don't forget to share, like, and especially subscribe, and maybe hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!